Ladies and gentlemen, we are trying to get through traffic right now. This is me, Jasper Chase, and Oi Dirk. Oh my God! If you're listening to this, you are the resistance.
If you're listening to this, you no longer have hearing.
Your ears are probably bleeding, and you need to get some tissue. Call 911.
Good Lord, we're going like the speed limit.
What is the speed limit?
65.
No, what is a speed limit? I've never heard of that.
True.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Jasper Chase here with my buddy Oi Dirk. Why don't you say a little hi?
Hi.
Hi.
We got goings-on going on today.
That is right. Yeah, I couldn't hear you because of the wind, but that's okay. So, Oi Dirk, what are we doing today?
Well, we are celebrating my 1-year anniversary and close to 1,000 subscribers. I love every one of you.
Woo!
And we are going to be shooting a brand new opening for my channel that is short, to the point, and produced, more importantly, by Chase Jasper Down.
Oh, yeah. This is not C2 Dub production. This is CJD production, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And I'm getting distracted because this douchebag at the fucking Ram is right next to me.
And I have a douchebag in front of me with temporary license plate.
No!
Get out of the way!
Whoa! Is he on his cell phone? I swear to God, if he's on his fucking cell phone, I'm going to rip off his fucking mirror.
I'll hit him with your gimbal.
Oh, my God.
All right, here we go.
Woo!
Up to cruising speed.
Cruising speed of 100.
Yeah.
I mean 60. 60. That's right. We're doing 60 miles an hour.
I won't look at the speedometer.
So, you know, this actually brings up a really good point, Oi Dirk, and a lot of people ask me all the time, how do you, like, come up with these different, like, special videos? Like, I did the Boris video, I did my channel trailer, the Britney Spears video.
Britney Spears!
Yes, that has definitely become a favorite, for sure. Well, basically, for people that want to try and do these special videos, really all it is you just get out there and you practice. You come up with an idea in your head, you point the camera at what you want to shoot, and you shoot it. If it sucks, you just do it over again. You just keep doing it over and over again until you finally come up with a system or like a process, and you just like imprint that template in your head for the next time.
Kind of like this opening, which we shot like 5 times.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, sir, Mr. Chase Jasper Down.
Yes, sir.
Why did it take us so fucking long to get out of the goddamn house this morning?
Well, that is a great question, Oi Dirk. Thank you for asking so politely. Well, that is because we had to make sure that with this video shoot, we're going to be out like all day. So we had to make sure that not only our regular GoPros were charged, we had to make sure that the extra batteries were charged. I had to test out the DSLR slider, which I actually bought and never used. So, you know, we did a couple test shots, and thanks to Two Wheel Maniac, I got my nice little HD camera back, so we were able to try that out. And, yeah, so I just wanted to make sure that everything was ready, because when you're filming something like this, you don't have a lot of time. So basically, if you're interested in doing a project like this, I just crushed my balls. Ow!
I stood up. I saw it. Sorry.
Yeah, thanks for the heads up on that one, asshole. So basically, if you guys are interested in doing a video like this, a couple tips is, number one, you want to make sure that you do a couple practice tests. You know, take some time. Make sure that you've got the idea plotted out in your head. Have a just like a map, you know, a process map, a template kind of embedded in your head. And then go out there and practice. Now, the tedious part of it is getting set up for the absolute perfect shot, which when you're first starting out could take you 20, 30 minutes. And then that shot is only like 10 seconds, maybe 15 seconds. And when you do it, you just want to make sure that you do it maybe 2 or 3 times, 4 or 5 times, just so you got that absolute perfect shot. And then in the magic of editing, you can make it perfect. So I challenge all of you, Oi Dirk and I challenge you to go out, and make some crazy sick edited video from all the tips that we've given you today.
And stay tuned for the final product. You'll probably be amazed, I am sure. Maybe a little blooper or two, you know.
Or two?
Yeah, we fuck up a lot.
Yes, we do. You guys haven't even seen the Music Monday green screen bloopers. That video was how long? Like an hour and 20 minutes?
Yes. It's because the star was so fucking temperamental.
Where's my grip?
Yeah, I am not. No more gripping.
That was a nice little lean.
Got to get those tires scrubbed.
Hang on. Here we go. You ready? I'm going to try it. Oh, I got it off the ground a little bit.
Yes, you did. I got it on camera.
Yeah, one more time.
Let me get closer. Okay.
I don't give a fuck.
Whoa!
Yeah!
Boy.
Woo!
That, I think, was your best one yet.
That was definitely my best one. I am so excited about that wheelie.
Right, just